What's up guys, it's Rahul TV, Team R for you all, yours truly, back again in 2021. And what we're doing this time round is, it's not on a Nissan Micra, this is a Nissan Micra 2005, 4, 6, whatever it is, right? But this job I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you guys, is a repair on the wiper mechanism. Maybe, sometimes you're driving along, all is well, next thing you know, bang, wipers stop working. What it is, 9 times out of 10, the wiper mechanism snaps or comes off the ball, the round ball. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a repair on it. You can go ahead and replace the whole thing brand new. But Rahul TV hooking you guys up, saving you guys some money. New Year's 2021. Let's go, let's do it. Okay, like I mentioned, this is a Nissan Micra, but it doesn't have to be on a Nissan Micra. You can be on any car. This repair works on 99.9% of all cars. Okay, so first things first, we need to get to the mechanism, which means you have to take the wiper arms off. On most cars, you have a 13mm, 15mm, 14mm nut under here, like there. Okay, you have another one there. We take the wiper arms off. Take these cowlings and covers and everything off, and then we can gain access to the wiper mechanism. Okay, I've took the cover off, took the wiper arms off. Our culprit here is there. This arm, as you can see there, has come off the ball. There we go. Supposed to go on to the ball there, onto this motor. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the motor off. To take the motor off on most cars is pretty much the same. Bolts, one here, another one down there, a few there. Take them off. There's one there as well. Nuts and bolts, take them off. I mean, this is on a Micra, like I mentioned. On different cars, they'll be in different positions. That one might be on this side somewhere. The other one might be somewhere else. But 99% of them, pretty much the same. Right, there we have it. Mechanism is totally off. What we're going to do now is, you see there? That one there, if I go all the way around this side, there we have it. The ball there is supposed to be on to there. This arm is supposed to be onto that ball, so obviously it's come off. What we could do is we just click it on. It's clicked on, right? Well, that's going to come straight off again. So what we need to do is we need to drill it. I'm going to drill it straight through the middle, and then I'm going to pin it. Put like a nut and bolt on it, or a split pin on it with some washers. So first things first, we need to drill it. Let's do it. Okay, now that we've drilled through it, you can see we've got a hole there, hole on the top. Put that on there. All we do now is dead easy. We'll try to do this with one hand. Absolutely easy. Split pin straight through there. Get a little washer on it as well. Bang. There we go. That's it. That's job done. Bend the other side, and that's it. That will be absolutely fantastic. Right, there we have it. I'll put the split pin on with some washers. Go around to this side, you can see. Just bend the split pin down. That is absolutely rock solid, but still, it moves as well. As you can see, this, you can't have it absolutely tight, or else the mechanism is not going to move. It needs to be turning on the ball. So that's on. Let's fit it in reverse order. Fit it back on the car. Happy days, job done. Right, all back on. Wiper arms are on, wipers on. Moment of truth now. Let's see if it works. Start that up. That's what you're talking about. Rahul TV, hooking you guys up. Saving you guys a bit of money. That's it. That's how we do the wiper mechanism repair on most cars. Okay, it's not only on the Micra, you can do it on Ford Focuses, Vauxhall Astras, any car. Okay, Fiat Puntos, any car. Okay, that's how we do it on all the cars. You'll have to drill them, put the split pin in it, and that's it. This is all working. If you need to adjust the wiper arm, just adjust the wiper arm, and yeah, that's it. Rahul TV hooking you guys up, like I mentioned. You know, saving you guys some money. If you were to put a brand new mechanism on, might come with the motor and everything, set you back a couple of £100. That repair should last you a long time. So all I'm going to say is Happy New Year's, guys. Stay home, stay safe. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section, and yeah, I'll try to get back to you guys with all the comments and everything. If I can't, then peace and blessing. I'm sorry. If this video doesn't help you guys out, I'm sorry as well. Try my best, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon.